Cryptocurrencies are gaining a lot of attention since the recent cryptocurrency market crash, and people have been looking for a stable investment ever since. Most of you know the cryptocurrency industry is extremely volatile in nature. But with the right amount of homework and preparation, one can actually make a fair amount of money through the cryptocurrency industry. And might cryptocurrency be the investment everyone's been looking for? Why, you may ask? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out. Hello, future billionaires! Welcome back to our channel Crypto Money. The channel where you get crypto inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Note that the prices of cryptocurrencies change frequently, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. All the financial decisions should be made after doing your own research. While most of you have heard about the Elongate cryptocurrency, there are still a few people who haven't. And for those of you who haven't heard of Elongate, don't worry, that's what we're here for. Elongate, a rapidly increasing cryptocurrency token that debuted 3 weeks ago, has pledged a total of more than $1 million in monetary donations to various organizations. Elongate is a crypto token that was born from an Elon Musk tweet and has since been determined to use the power and capital of memes and internet culture to change the face of charitable giving. It's built on the Binance Smart Chain. Elongate is a frictionless yield and liquidity generation token that pays holders a 10% transaction fee and gives considerable amounts to charity. Elongate splits the cost in half, giving half to all holders and the other half to Pancake LP. Every 14 days, cash is taken out and donated to a charity chosen by the community. Elongate is a cryptocurrency that started as a joke on Elon Musk's tweet about the Watergate scandal. It has subsequently grown into tens of thousands strong groups dedicated to using meme culture's power and leverage to raise awareness of and combat world poverty. Elongate started as a meme, sparked by a viral tweet from our favorite billionaire at the vanguard of the cryptocurrency revolution. Following its founding, events resulted in the emergence of a community that now numbers 25,000 people and is constantly increasing. The global pandemic has compelled the world to accept digital efforts in a parabolic trajectory in 2021. Today, Elongate aspires to make use of our ability to reflect on ourselves and channel that reflection into altruistic deeds that will help make the world a better place. Corporate social responsibility is an important part of Elongate's identity based on the Elongate token ecosystem. As a result, the diverse group of people has gathered behind Elongate, social media influencers, private investors interested in supporting its chosen cause. This starts with engaging in meaningful dialogues with philanthropic groups, educating them about the cryptocurrency environment, and bridging the gap between real-world philanthropic initiatives and the digital realm of Bitcoin. We're on track to do so with groups like the UN World Food Programme, Action Against Hunger, the Big Green Organization, and others. Elongate is a BEP20 token with a total fixed quantity of 1 quadrillion tokens produced on the Binance Smart Chain. Elongate was created as a philanthropic token and went through a pre-sale campaign sponsored by DXSale, a decentralized cross-service token administration platform as a service. According to some figures and cryptocurrency specialists, Elongate has increased by 9.46% in the last 24 hours. Elongate prices have been progressively increasing in modest increments, but have decreased by 14% in the last week as they went through huge dips and fluctuated and have plunged by 80% this month. In the previous 24 hours, Elongate's trading volume has decreased by 34%, which is surprising but not surprising given Elongate's recent decline in value. However, the last several hours have proven us wrong, as Elongate prices have been steadily increasing in value. As a result, Elongate investors are holding on to their investments in the hopes of higher values in the future. Those who haven't invested in it have been waiting for prices to drop so they can buy it at a lesser cost. Many people are focused on the market's biggest cryptocurrencies and have entirely forgotten about Elongate. However, experts believe that starting in July, Elongate costs will rise, reaching an all-time high. Elongate prices are expected to rise by roughly 43% according to statistics. Elongate has not performed well so far, although there is a little price spike happening right now that is expected to continue a few days, with occasional price drops in between, which is not unusual given its incredibly volatile nature. However, In comparison to the previous month's statistics, Elongate has performed admirably with minor price fluctuations. The Binance Smart Chain (BSC) is a blockchain network that operates alongside the Binance Chain. In contrast to the Binance Chain, BSC supports smart contracts and is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. An additional benefit of distributing Elongates on the BSC is that it provides our community with a cheaper blockchain experience, as transaction fees are lower than on the Ethereum network. Elongate's earning potential is bolstered by a 10% levy on all transactions. Additionally, 5% of the tax is allocated to the community in accordance with the number of tokens they own. This method motivates the community of holders to support Elongate in order to make it a long-term movement. The Elongate ecosystem is unusual in that it gives a universal goodwill commitment to the speculative nature of Bitcoin trading. Both incoming and outgoing transactions represent Elongate's charity objective. An outgoing transaction, for example, contributes to the liquidity pool, from which tokens are taken and appropriated as proceeds to our charities of choice. The burn process has been implemented as part of the 14-day manual extraction process in the community's best interests. In some circumstances, the burning process raises the price floor. Burn has been integrated into a charity burn mechanism in Elongate. Elongate was only listed in the market in April 2021, and it's still going strong. So in 2021, Elongate coin is a smart short-term investment. Elongate, like Dogecoin, is offering good returns in a matter of days. Elongate's made a 50% quantum leap even today. So if you invest today in this coin, your money will double in a week. Therefore, Elongate coin is a good investment in 2021. The Elongate coin is performing well and also giving good returns, but there's a huge drop in the coin right now. In such a situation, what will happen in the future of the coin cannot be said, so we think you should wait a few more days. And when the coin gives a positive performance, you can invest in this coin. Elongate has donated to humanitarian organizations such as Children International, Action Against Hunger, and the Ocean Cleanup through a series of weekly live streams called Charity Parties with its close-knit network of investors. Children International received a $75,000 donation on April 4th, which was up to $325,000 during Elongate's most recent charity dinner on April 18th. Community members are self-organized to maintain, administrate, and scale the initiative within a few days after it began. Elongate is now led by Lorenzo Andre, a business informatician based in Switzerland, as its chief executive officer. The staff is constantly growing and is dedicated to expanding its activities. At this time, Elongate has no ties to Elon Musk. Elongate has a defined purpose of functioning as a gate, enabling digital efforts to scale into the real world. Jean Rodfun Salida Pantig, Chief Marketing Officer at Elongate, explains in light of Elongate's various overlapping and intriguing efforts. The Bitcoin space is an untapped source of power, which advocates from all walks of life wanting to change the world. Charity is an important part of the Elongate ecosystem, and we want to ensure that it is future-proof by extending our offerings. Aside from philanthropic endeavors, we're also working on an NFT launchpad and other crypto-related projects. As a result, Elongate can diversify its brand, not only in the digital and crypto worlds, but also in the physical world. At present, Elongate consists of a community of more than 250,000 holders, with a total following of more than 140,000 across all its platforms and channels. According to Wallet Investor, a $100 investment in this altcoin will grow to $500 in the next 5 years. In addition, Elongate is expected to double in value in the next year, according to Digital Coin Price. According to another analysis, the coin will reach $0.000024 before the end of the year, and might reach $0.000044, almost double by the end of 2022. When it comes to estimating the price of any commodity, one can never be 100% certain, and even 10% certainty is not guaranteed in the case of some cryptocurrencies. But one thing is certain, Elongate has the potential to become a profitable investment in the future, and who knows, it might even become the next Dogecoin, but it will require Sir Elon Musk's help to do so. Therefore, from the above data, it's safe to assume that Elongate has shown exponential growth these past weeks, and with a loyal community of supporters, there is no saying how the prices are going to skyrocket. Therefore, people looking for a stable investment with guaranteed returns, Elongate might be where you put your money into. Also, know that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. Therefore, all the financial decisions should be made after doing your research. We'd also like to emphasize that this is not a financial advisory channel, and we don't ask you to invest in any particular company. This is simply a way for instructional materials to be delivered to your door. With that in mind, we recommend that you do your homework before investing in anything. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.